Find the inverses of h of x equals the cube root of x minus 3. What I like to do first is I'm going to replace h of x with y. Okay? And that's what I'm going to do first. I don't like dealing with h of x when I do inverses. Step number 1 when finding your inverses, you're going to swap the x and the y. So x now equals the cube root of y minus 3. Now you're going to solve for the new y. So let's add 3. Let's add 3. X plus 3 equals the cube root of y. Let's cube both sides, like that. That cancels each other out. And so you have x plus 3 cubed equals y. Now that y is all by itself, right? And maybe it'll be nicer if I just rewrite it that way. Y equals x plus 3 cubed. Now that that's all by itself, we can call this the h inverse of x equals x plus 3 to the third power. And that's it.